Do you want to create this color-changing neon brick in Roblox Studio with absolutely no prior scripting knowledge? If so, stick around to the end and I will show you exactly how to do it. Hey everyone, let's get started creating this color-changing brick on Roblox. First, let's create a part. This is under the Model tab. Now, select Scale and scale the part up to 1 by 4 studs. Now, let's set the anchored property of the part to true. This will prevent the part from moving or shifting around during gameplay. Now, let's set the material of the part to neon. This will cause the part to have a little glow around it. Finally, let's set the brick color of the part to institutional white. This will just be a starting base color. Now, let's name the part color part. You can call it anything, but we'll just call it color part. Again, for the script, we create a script name inside color part, inside, which is a child of color part, and we'll name it interpolator. You can name it anything you want. We get rid of the default print hello world text, and we can now begin coding. So let's define a variable. Local color part is equal to script.parent. Script is interpolator, and the parent of script is color part, which is the part we just modified a bunch of properties on. Now, let's set the local hue increment to be equal to 1 divided by 360. 360 is the hue we divide 1 by 360 because we're going to be incrementing by that value every step. Now, we can set the local H for hue is equal to 1 divided by 255 plus 0.01. This is hue. Local S, or for saturation, is equal to 1. This is saturation. Local V is equal to 1. This is value. Since we just want to be operating on the most vibrant part of the color, we're going to set S and V to be equal to 1. Hue is the only thing that's changing. Next, let's create a while loop. While true do, and put an end at the bottom. Let's tab over. If H is greater than or equal to 1, then, and tab, we want to say hue increment is going to be equal to -1 divided by 360. Next, we want to say if H is less than or equal to 1 divided by 360, then we want to move the end, and we want to say hue increment is equal to 1 divided by 360. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is we're going to say H, or hue, is equal to H plus hue increment. This increments it by a negative value to go backwards or a positive value to go forwards. This will continue forever, causing the part to change color continuously. Next, we will set a variable called color3 from HSV is equal to color3 dot from HSV, and then we input the values H, S, and V, where H is the hue that is changing and variable, and S and V are constant. They stay at 1, since we don't want a darker version of the color. Oops, make sure to indent your code so it looks pretty. Next line, color part dot, forget to indent, color part dot color is equal to color3 from HSV. This will set the color of color part to be equal to the color we just specified. Now, finally, just put a wait. This will wait the minimum amount of time that the client can. Now, the next thing we can do is we can save to file. Let's press test, hit run, hit play. Spawn in. Wow, our part is now changing color. like shown in the intro. Thank you for watching this Roblox programming tutorial. If you would like new tutorials, please subscribe and check out my channel daily. Please leave a like and leave a comment. Come back for new tutorials. Thank you for watching my video.